Who are you? Who do you become when faced with the tough tasks of day-to-day life? Do you shy away or get stuck in?
Does life require you to be partnered with reliable tools?
We've always prided ourselves in having something for everyone. For the driven, for the strong, for the people that get up, get to work, and do it all again the next day, no matter who you are.
Perhaps you're someone that takes pride in their home. From patio to car to garden. We are with you every step of the way. With our cordless tools packed with technology, with a single battery that can take you anywhere,
Untethered by cables,
and enhanced by battery technology that keeps you pushing on no matter how big the job may seem. They're protected from the outside and within.
the onboard microchip connects to your tools, optimizing temperature, voltage, and capacity. And the TES technology keeps your battery cooler for longer. They're fast charging and long lasting,
So you can work with confidence.
without compromises of power or versatility. We think of you, from the tools you use to the battery that powers it all, ensuring you have the power you need to get the job done. So whether you're someone who spends hours in the garden looking for the perfect finish, or someone who works hard and needs their tools to keep up, the 20-volt max range will continue to expand, but we already have a wide range of powerful cordless tools to suit any need, both at home and in the garden, like this pole saw with an extensive reach, perfect for hard-to-reach places, a chainsaw for thicker gauges of wood and felling small trees, a hedge trimmer for maintaining shorter boundary hedges, a pole hedge trimmer, bringing you much-needed extra reach for shaping tall conifers, a leaf blower for maintaining a tidy lawn, patio, or driveway. Finally, a grass trimmer, a versatile garden shaping tool for a clean finish. For DIY and trade, we have a high-torque impact wrench, great for automotive tasks and more, a powerful drill designed for both professionals and DIYers, and a compact yet practical brushless impact driver, and an angle grinder for those that work regularly with metal, all running off the new second generation 20-volt max battery system. Get yours today.